Hey folks, how you doing? Andy Kimball here, Seattle Yachts. I want to talk to you about having you listing your boat with me at Seattle Yachts. Seattle Yachts is a very large, very significant company, enriched with professional brokers who have been doing this a really, really long time, representing buyers and sellers, both power and sailboats, all over the country. And look no further, Seattle Yachts. My name is Andy Kimball. I'm with Seattle Yachts, Marina Del Rey and San Diego. Actually, everywhere. I also do work on the East Coast. Call me direct, 747-241-0072, Andy Kimball, Seattle Yachts, or email me, andyk@seattleyachts.com, or call me through Seattle Yachts. They'll connect you with my cell phone at this number here, and I'll look forward to having a conversation with you about representing you in your next boat transaction. I appreciate it. Look forward to gaining your trust, your business, and establishing a long-term working relationship. That's what it's all about for me. Take care, folks. Look forward to hearing from you soon.